Hello! Today we're going to make apple pancakes. Start with an apple that's peeled and cored and slice it up. Be careful when you cut. Sample a piece here or there. I used regular pancake mix, put in a cup of the dry, and 3/4 cup of water. Stir it up. Don't overstir, make it lumpy. Heat your griddle with a little bit of oil. I use avocado so it can handle the heat. Coat your apple rings in a little bit of batter. And you're going to cook these until you can start to see bubbles. When you do, flip them. Don't move them around on the pan. So messy. Remove them from heat. Tasty. Cook whatever slices you have left. Make some eggs on the side. Don't burn them. So messy. Why? Burnt. If you have any pancake batter left over, cook it. Maybe yours will actually come out round. Why use baby spatula when you can use giant spatula? Or both if you need them, I guess. Maybe both won't even help. Don't over flip it. Here's breakfast. Look at that apple in there, so cozy. Scrambled eggs and cheddar. OJ. Ugly pancake. This looks like I ate it really fast, but I fast forwarded this video, that's all. And cut stuff out. Full. See you later.